Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best gaming microphones is probably one of the most crucial pieces of equipment for any serious gamer looking to elevate their streaming or communication experience, as a clear and crisp audio output can make the difference between an immersive session and a frustrating one, ensuring your voice is heard loud and clear by your teammates or your audience without any distracting background noise or distortion. Number 5. FIFINE K669B USB Microphone. Setting up your recording studio is a breeze. Simply plug this microphone into your computer's USB port, and you're ready to capture crystal clear audio for music, podcasts, or voiceovers. Crafted with a durable metal design, this microphone is built for longevity. Its sturdy construction and included tripod stand make it perfect for extended recording sessions, whether you're streaming or creating content. Take full command of your audio with the integrated volume knob. Easily adjust your recording levels on the fly, ensuring your voice is always heard clearly, or even mute yourself for privacy. This USB-powered microphone works seamlessly with your computer, laptop, or even gaming consoles like the PS4 and PS5. It's compatible with various applications, making it ideal for voice chat, recording, and more, without needing extra power supplies. Experience pristine audio quality. Its cardioid pickup pattern focuses on your voice, effectively minimizing background noise for clear, smooth, and crisp sound output, perfect for streaming and recording. Whether you're gaming, streaming on Twitch, or recording for YouTube, this microphone is your go-to tool. It's optimized for platforms like Discord, OBS, and Zoom, ensuring your voice shines through. What we like. If you're looking for a straightforward, reliable USB microphone for everyday recording tasks, this is a great choice. Its simple plug-and-play setup and built-in volume control make it incredibly user-friendly. The durable metal construction ensures it can withstand regular use, making it ideal for beginners or those who need a no-fuss solution for voiceovers, podcasts, or casual streaming. What people say. The microphone has a solid build quality and a sleek design that looks great on a desk. It offers excellent sound clarity, making voiceovers and streaming audio crisp and clear. The adjustable stand allows for easy positioning, and the mute button is conveniently located for quick silencing. Number 4. FIFINE T669 USB Condenser Microphone Kit. Getting studio quality sound for your voice and computer recordings has never been easier. Simply plug it into your PC or laptop for instant use, no extra hardware or drivers needed. Experience crystal clear audio capture with its wide frequency response and ability to handle high sound pressure levels. It effectively isolates your voice, minimizing background noise for pristine recordings. This microphone comes with a durable boom arm stand that offers versatile positioning for optimal voice capture. The double pop filter ensures your recordings are free from distracting popping sounds. Easily attach it to your desk with the sturdy C-clamp or detachable mount. Its low-profile design ensures it won't get in your way while you record or communicate. Everything you need is included in this package. It features a sturdy steel boom arm, shock mount, pop filter, premium USB cable, and a user manual for a complete recording solution. Whether you're recording vocals, podcasts, gaming, or streaming, this microphone delivers professional results. It's designed for both project and home studio applications. What we like. For creators who want a complete studio experience right out of the box, this microphone kit is perfect. It comes with an adjustable boom arm, shock mount, and pop filter, providing professional-level flexibility and sound isolation. If you're serious about achieving crystal clear audio for your podcasts, voiceovers, or music recordings and want a setup that minimizes background noise and plosives, this is the one to consider. What people say. Clean, warm, and surprisingly full. It won't replace a XLR chain, but for Twitch, YouTube, voiceovers, and narration, it's more than enough. No drivers, no setup headache. It just works. OBS, Resolve, Audacity, all picked it up instantly with zero fuss. The shock mount holds steady and isolates well. The pop filter handles plosives better than most bundled kits. Number 3. NUBWO G06 Dual Wireless Gaming Headset. Stay immersed in your game while easily managing calls or music from your phone. With a simple click, you can answer, hang up, or mute the microphone without missing a beat. Cut the cord and enjoy smooth, uninterrupted wireless gaming. Its 2.4 GHz connection provides a stable audio experience for your PC and compatible consoles. Switch to Bluetooth mode with a quick double tap for lag-free audio. Enjoy your favorite media or take calls seamlessly, though microphone performance may vary. Prefer a wired connection? Easily connect to your gaming devices using a standard 3.5mm cable. Some systems might need an adapter for full functionality. Keep the game going for up to 100 hours on a single charge. When you do need to power up, a full recharge takes only 4 hours, ensuring endurance for long gaming sessions. Experience your games like never before with powerful 50mm drivers. Enjoy rich, immersive sound that brings every detail to life. What we like. Gamers who demand long, uninterrupted play sessions will love this headset. Its exceptional 100-hour battery life means you can game for days without recharging, and the low-latency 2.4 GHz wireless connection ensures your audio is always in sync with the action. If you're looking for a wireless solution that offers incredible endurance and seamless connectivity across PC and consoles without being a microphone, this is your top pick. What people say. The mic and insanely clear, you have to try them. The sound is clear and immersive, perfect for FPS games like Fortnite and Call of Duty where hearing footsteps really matters. The connection is stable with no noticeable delay, and the low latency makes a big difference in competitive play. The battery life is impressive and easily lasts several long gaming sessions. The mic sounds clear and my teammates hear me without any issues. I have suffered no loss of audio quality, the Bluetooth works great, most of the time, mic quality is above average and they are an absolute bang for your buck. Number 2. FIFINE AmpliGame A6V Gaming USB Microphone. Experience award-winning audio quality that brings your team closer. Its sensitive pickup and noise reduction ensure your voice is heard clearly, giving you an edge in every game. Instantly mute yourself with a single tap to maintain a positive atmosphere. Easily adjust your mic volume without disrupting your gameplay, ensuring you're always heard at the perfect level. Immerse yourself in the game with dynamic, cycling RGB lighting. It enhances your setup with a vibrant glow, creating an exciting atmosphere for intense gaming sessions. Get started in seconds with simple plug-and-play functionality. It's compatible with all major operating systems and gaming platforms, connecting seamlessly with a long, detachable cable. This mic comes with everything you need for pristine audio. It includes a shock mount to absorb vibrations, a pop filter for clear vocals, and a stable tripod stand for perfect positioning. Engineered for gamers, this microphone delivers exceptional sound. Its thoughtful design and included accessories ensure a superior audio experience for streaming, chatting, and playing. What we like. If you want a gaming microphone that not only sounds great but also looks the part, this is an excellent option. The customizable RGB lighting adds a vibrant aesthetic to your setup, and the convenient quick mute button and gain control allow for on-the-fly adjustments during intense gaming moments. This is ideal for streamers and gamers who value both performance and visual flair. What people say. The microphone is great quality and has clean clarity when it comes to how your voice sounds. The mic works wonderful, very easy to set up. The little tripod they give you to mount it on is very sturdy. The audio quality is very good and clear. Sound quality is clear and crisp for a USB condenser mic. Voices come through naturally, making it great for Discord, Twitch streaming, podcasts, and YouTube videos. The included pop filter and shock mount do a great job reducing plosives and vibrations, which noticeably improves recording quality compared to a basic mic. Number 1. FIFINE AmpliGame A6T Gaming USB Microphone. Get started right away with this plug-and-play microphone. It's compatible with Windows, Mac OS, and PlayStation consoles, and features a reversible USB-C connector for easy plugging in any lighting condition. The long cable ensures flexible placement for clear audio. Enhance your gaming setup with its dynamic two-tone RGB lighting. The soft, coordinated light effects will make your streams and videos more eye-catching, helping your channel stand out. It's perfect for matching your existing colorful computer accessories. Easily control your audio with the touch-sensitive mute button on top, allowing for quick muting without interrupting your workflow. The large volume knob at the bottom lets you adjust sound levels effortlessly, keeping your focus on the game. Experience energetic and warm vocal reproduction thanks to the upgraded condenser cardioid capsule. Its sensitive pickup focuses on your voice, effectively reducing background noise for clear communication with teammates, especially in tactical games. The included boom arm offers nearly 180 degrees rotation for optimal positioning and space-saving storage. The shock mount minimizes vibrations and machine noise, while the detachable pop filter reduces plosive sounds for cleaner audio. This set includes everything you need: the microphone with shock mount, pop filter, boom arm stand, USB cable, C-clamp, and user manual. The clamp securely attaches to desks up to 2 inches thick for stable use. What we like. For streamers and content creators who want a blend of style and functionality, this microphone is a fantastic choice. The included boom arm offers great desk space flexibility, and the top-mounted touch mute button provides instant silence without interrupting your workflow. If you appreciate a visually appealing setup with dynamic RGB lighting and easy-to-use controls for your gaming or podcasting needs, you should definitely consider this. What people say. The sound output is great. My viewers all noticed a difference immediately. It was so easy to set up and I haven't had any issues with it. The boom bar stays where you put it. The audio quality of your voice sounds crispier than most budget microphones while providing clear audio. The RGB feature is underrated. It doesn't transition too fast and moves at a relatively lovely pace. The pop filter is adorable with the little FIFINE smiley face logo. Along with the bundle, there's an adjustable boom arm stand. It's very adaptable. You're not getting a cheap boom arm as it can move at all positions, it spins 360 degrees. The sound quality is excellent, clear and crisp without any distortion, which is crucial for both his schoolwork and gaming. The RGB lighting adds a fun touch, and he loves how it makes his gaming space feel more professional. The adjustable stand is sturdy and easy to position, allowing him to set it up just the way he likes for both sitting and standing during class or gaming. It was also really easy to plug in and get started, with no complicated setup needed. The USB connection works seamlessly with his PC, PS4, and PS5, which is a huge plus for versatility. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.